Luna Classic is bullish today, and in this video we'll talk about it. We'll talk about why it's actually happening. Was it expected? Did I sell my Luna Classic position? Because as you might remember, I opened one in a video 2 days ago. Because I did think some bullish momentum was coming. But basically all of that. So let's get right into it. First of all, welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you're new. And hope you're all doing good, at the very least. So we'll talk about Luna Classic. Now, I've been talking about Luna Classic quite a while for the last or quite a lot the last few days. Also in the Discord server, and why that is that because I was anticipating some bullish momentum for Luna Classic, and that all has to do with one major thing, and that is the Binance fee burn. All right, yesterday we had a Binance burn, which was, to be honest, lower than expected. Like I said, it would be in the range of, and you can also see the burn tax is just slowly moving through. Burn tax today is probably going to be higher because the volume today has exponentially increased, as you can see, which is great, but yeah, doesn't mean too much apart from burning more with the burn tax. But yesterday we burned, you can all see this at lunaclassicpenguins.com. We burned like 6.4 billion Luna Classic, which is great. I mean, it really is, but like when I first started talking about it, I think like 2 weeks ago, I said, yeah, I mean, it depending on the volume, it could even be like 15 billion. And then yesterday it got all the way back down to like a range of 7 to 13 billion, because I mean the volume of Luna Classic has been quite horrendous over November, over the last part of November. First part was great, but last part no. So it was actually 6.4. So I mean, it wouldn't have surprised me if we dropped as well, but for some reason Luna Classic is going up. It's because of that burn, I think, at least. I hope I didn't miss anything else. But that's the thing now. Now, as I said 2 days ago, what I said is that I opened a Luna Classic position. I opened it down here, so it was quite a good trade, and I did close it. The reason being, and let's also just dive right into the analysis then. Reason being is that I don't anticipate this to be a sustained bull run or rally. Alright, I think it's going to be a spike. Right now we're still relatively high. We just broke above this resistance level at 18,000. 18,000 was my price target. Alright, I didn't say I'd take profit, but I thought if we could get there, that would be amazing. So right now, what's technically still true is, yes, we could still get up to like 20,000. The thing though is that we've broken above 18,000 and found resistance at around 19,000, where you also have that 200 EMA, which is a very strong resistance level. So at this point, I mean, if we actually do manage to break above 18,700, then we'll probably get on all the way up to 20,000. But the chances of this are, in my opinion, way less likely than that 18,000 does not hold as a support, and that we will slowly start falling back down to 17,000 and 16,000 ultimately. I think this is more likely. I mean, usually when these moves happen because of the burns, always something like this happens. So a big spike and then a continuation of the drop back down. And you must also see that 200 EMA over time has been pretty strong, and we haven't reached that a lot. So yeah, but that's my take on Luna Classic. There is still hope to get up even more, but altogether this is already, in my opinion, very bullish to see, because this also means that we can actually hold our support levels between 16,000 and 15,000 for a longer period of time. But yeah, so that's my take. If you do have any questions, let me know as always. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Take care and bye.